A spring with force constant of 0.1 newtons per centimeter is placed in series with one of 0.2 newtons per centimeter. These are then placed in parallel with an identical set of springs as shown. A force of 0.6 newtons is applied. So two different springs in series, they are in parallel with an identical set of springs. An overall force of 0.6 newtons is then applied. What distance does the point X move down when the 0.6 newton force is applied? So we want to use F is equal to Kx. But to do so, we have to work out the overall spring constant. So for the springs in series, we can use this equation. 1 over the total spring constant for those in series is equal to 1 over K1 plus 1 over K2. This will enable us to work out the spring constant for these two springs here or for these two springs here. It will be the same calculation for both. So the spring constant for those springs in series would be then 1 over 0.1 plus 1 over 0.2. That's just rearranging this equation here and putting in these two spring constants. So for series, that gives us 1 over 15. So these two have a spring constant of 1 over 15, as do these two. We can then work out the overall spring constant by using the parallel equation, which is, so for springs in parallel, we would do the spring constant of the first spring plus that of the second spring, and so on. So that would then be, well, we know that these two here have a spring constant of 1 over 15, as do these two. We can then just add the two 1 over 15s. That gives us 2 over 15. Now we can use F is equal to Kx. So X is then F, which was 0.6, over K, which is 2 over 15. That gives us 4.5, which is C.